won't be able to deal with this. This is gonna get way too messy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is London, and today we are finally getting into the new Florence By Mills lip glosses. There are 5 shades as of now, all 5 of them, and we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty stuff in this video. So starting off, I'm just gonna name them from the lightest color to the darkest color. So they're all like, I would say like moods and then mills. So it's like Mellow Mills, Moody Mills, Major Mills, Magnetic Mills, Modern Mills, all of that stuff. That's what all of the names are. And then upon looking at them online and on Ulta, these colors do look a little different in person than they do online. So hopefully this video does help some people out that are a bit confused about the lip glosses, because I do think they could have been a bit better about their descriptions about these, but that's why I'm here. So getting into this, there are 3 key ingredients for these lip glosses. So the first one is shea butter to help to moisturize your lips, and then there's vitamin E that helps to protect your moisture barrier on your lips, and then there's castor seed oil, which apparently helps with like really dry, chapped lips, which is interesting because that's not an ingredient in the lip oil. So are the lip glosses more nourishing than the lip oil? Who knows? So now let's get into the outdoor swatches. So if you're new to my channel, I do outdoor swatches, and then later on I'll do some lip swatches. But the outdoor swatches are just to give you a better idea of what they look like in the sunlight. So going in from the bottom to the top, we have Mellow Mills, Magnetic Mills, Moody Mills, Major Mills, and Modern Mills. And what's interesting is the 3 in the middle are all a lot more pigmented than the one on the top and the bottom, which is the light pink and the red shade. So it's really interesting. The Mellow Mills is the most sheer out of all of them. And then the Magnetic Mills, I'm gonna get so tongue-tied in this video. Magnetic Mills, Moody Mills, Major Mills are the 3 that are the most pigmented. So if you like pigmented glosses, these would be the ones for you. And if you like more sheer glosses, then the Mellow Mills is the only one that's really sheer. And then the Modern Mills is the red shade. And this one is a little bit in between. It's not super sheer, but it's not as pigmented as these 3. So I haven't swatched these on my lips yet, and I haven't shown you guys the packaging yet. So as usual, it's got the regular Florence packaging, super cute. And of course, the cap is purple. It looks super cute. I am so obsessed with this packaging. And then this is the eyebrow gel as a comparison. I love the letters right here because when I first got these were a bit hard to open, so having these this texture right here made it a little bit easier to open it. But let's try on Mellow Mills. Oh, and before we try it on, I just wanted to show you guys the doe foot applicator. It is pretty flat and straight. It's a bit longer than what I'm used to. Oh, and real quick, these are $12 each. Totally forgot about that. And also, if there's anything that I did not mention, I'll most likely put it in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. But this is what Mellow Mills looks like. It's definitely your grab and go lip gloss. It's pretty sheer. It does add a little bit of a pale pink color to my lips as opposed to the lip oil. This is a little bit stickier. It's not as so much like slip to it as the lip oil, but it's still really, really soft. But if you're looking between the lip gloss and the lip oil color-wise, it really depends on your skin tone. If you have more pigmented lips, I would probably suggest the lip oil, because even with me, I don't have a lot of pigment on my lips, but it's still making it look a little bit lighter. But let me zoom you guys in. So this is what my lips look like with the Mellow Mills. Very shiny, very glossy, but it does still add that kind of light coloring to my lips, if you notice that. Let's see if I can get this wipe to last me this entire swatch video, because I don't want to buy any more makeup wipes. All right, next lip gloss is Magnetic Mills, and also the name is on the bottom, so I appreciate that a lot. But this one is like a nude gloss. So this is Magnetic Mills. It is definitely a nude, but it's not as pigmented on my lips. It's not as pigmented as I thought it would be on my lips. That's how I'm gonna word that. So you can kind of see it does go in my lines just a little bit on my lips, but again, this is made for a generation a little bit younger than me, but it looks pretty good, honestly. It does add more of that warm tone to it. I definitely think you can tell the differences between the last lip gloss and this lip gloss. The last one just kind of made it a little bit more amplified. This one definitely adds a little bit more coloring to your lips, but I probably wouldn't suggest this one to everyone because I am a pretty fair person, and this one is definitely almost on the verge of being too nude for my liking. Now on to the next one. So this one is Moody Mills. This one is a little bit more of like a muted kind of terracotta shade. I am so excited for this one. So this one definitely came off a little bit more peachy on my skin tone than I was expecting it to be. I was expecting it to be a little bit more on the orange side, but it definitely muted it down a bit much. But I still do really like this shade, especially for a look like this where you want a little color but not that much. And this one I feel like doesn't go into my lines as much as the other ones. We got two more. This one is Major Mills. It is the darkest shade in this little lipstick collection. This one is like a kind of brownish berry color. Whoa. Oh man. So this one is definitely by far the most pigmented. It did take me by surprise because these last two that I tried had the same kind of payoff when I swatched them, but upon putting them on my lips, this one definitely had the most like wham bam in your face kind of thing. But it looks so stunning. Look at this. That is a pigmented lip gloss, and it doesn't do the lines thing. It's really nice, but this one I'd be a bit afraid wearing it out. This is like that like very edge of being too dark where you're worried that it's going to bleed, if you know what I mean. And the last one that we have to swatch today is the red lip gloss. This one is called Modern Mills. Oh man. Ooh. Wow. I just swatched this one, but upon opening it for the second time, I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but the entire wand is coated, and the, oh, what's the word? The little thing that helps pull off the excess product is stuck down in there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but oh my gosh, I might be exchanging this one because what the heck, I won't be able to deal with this. This is gonna get way too messy to keep it like that. And then I bought these at Ulta, so definitely if you have the same problem that I do, definitely go and exchange it, because that should not be happening. So this one is definitely more like a cherry. Oh my god, it's gonna get all over the place. Ooh. So Modern Mills is definitely more sheer on the lip than it was in the swatches. This one is definitely more like a cherry red. I wouldn't really call this a red. It could be like a strawberry, but it's still really pretty. So definitely, depending on your preferences, you may want to stick with the sheer glosses or the ones that are more pigmented, which is what I was talking about in the beginning of the video when I was saying that they didn't really describe them very well. But I'm also pretty disappointed that this one, oh my god, I got the freaking thing back in there. Look, this is literally the same lip gloss. How did that happen? All right, let me know down below if this has happened to your lip gloss, because it definitely didn't happen to any of the other ones at all. But I will keep you guys updated on the little, I still don't know what the word is to those things. Y'all need to help me out on what the word is for that, because I have it on the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember what it is. But all the other ones look to be pretty fine, except for the red one, which exploded on me. Exaggerating, but it's fine now. So that is it for this video. This one is kind of getting into the nitty-gritty, showing you guys the lip glosses. And then tomorrow I'm going to be using Major Mills, which is the dark pigmented one. And I want to see a wear test on them to see if they're going to bleed into any lines, or if they're going to smudge, or how it's going to wear throughout the day. And then I'm also going to be layering the lip glosses in tomorrow's video with the blushes, because I know you can use the blushes on your lips, so I wanted to layer them. So if you had any kind of requests with the layering, let me know down below in the comments, and I can definitely do that for you guys. And then before I end this video out, I want to ask you guys another question. Out of all the lip glosses, what's your favorite lip gloss color in this range? And do you like more of a sheer lip gloss or more of a pigmented lip gloss? But that is it for me today. If you want to watch more videos from me, here will be my Florence By Mills makeup video. And then over here is going to be a video suggested to you by YouTube. And this right here will be my face, where you can click on it and subscribe to my channel.